Prepare for the TOEFL listening section. With this sample lecture from a marketing class. Listen to the lecture, answer some questions about it, then check your answers. If necessary, review the lecture to confirm your understanding. Subscribe for more practice lectures on a wide range of academic topics covered in college and university classes.
Today, we're going to dive into how the COVID-19 pandemic has significantly impacted consumer behavior and spending patterns. Over the past couple of years, we've witnessed notable shifts in the way people shop, prioritize their purchases, and engage with various products and services. Firstly, let's address the surge in online shopping. With lockdown measures and social distancing guidelines in place, consumers have turned to e-commerce platforms for their shopping needs more than ever before. The convenience, safety, and broader selection offered by online retailers have fueled this trend, leading to a substantial increase in online transactions across multiple sectors. Moreover, the pandemic has reshaped preferences for essential goods and services. As individuals prioritize health and safety, we've observed a significant uptick in demand for hygiene products, healthcare services, and groceries. Consumers are now placing greater emphasis on products that promote wellness and hygiene, reflecting a shift towards a more health-conscious lifestyle. Additionally, the rise of remote work and digital entertainment has had a profound impact on consumer behavior. With many people working from home and spending more time indoors, there has been a surge in demand for home office equipment, streaming services, and digital subscriptions. This shift towards remote work and digital leisure activities has not only altered spending patterns, but also transformed the way individuals allocate their time and resources. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought about seismic changes in consumer behavior and spending habits. From the increased reliance on online shopping to shifts in preferences for essential goods and services, and the rise of remote work and digital entertainment, these trends are likely to have lasting implications for businesses and industries worldwide.
One. What is the main topic of the lecture? Two. What has contributed to the surge in online shopping mentioned in the lecture? Three. Based on the lecture, what can be inferred about consumer priorities during the pandemic? Four. What has the rise of remote work and digital entertainment led to, according to the lecture? Five. How might the changes in consumer behavior, discussed in the lecture, impact businesses and industries? Six. According to the lecture, what impact has the COVID-19 pandemic had on traditional brick and mortar retailers?
How did it go? Were you able to answer the questions correctly? Share your score in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice with lectures.